Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your Pennsylvania driver's license online. So this is super helpful if you want to handle the renewal from home and then save time. So on the Pennsylvania renewal page, you'll first see the main section for renewing a driver's license. So from there, tap the Renew Driver's License Online. So from there, tap the Renew Your Driver's License Online button to move on to the online service. So once the next page opens, you'll be taken to the online driver's license or the photo ID login section. So in here, take a moment to look over the instructions on the page, and after that, enter the information that they ask for. So type in the driver's license or photo ID number, then enter the date of birth, and after that, fill in the last four digits of the social security number for identity verification. And when everything is entered, go down to the certification box and check it to confirm the information is true and then that the request is authorized. So after that, click login to continue with the renewal process. Then just follow the next steps shown on the website to complete the transaction. So that's it. The process starts by opening the Pennsylvania renewal page, tapping Renew Your Driver's License Online, and then logging in with the required details on the next screen. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.